What if I told you a car in your driveway or on a used lot down the street could outlive your mortgage, still running strong when your kids graduate college? I'm not exaggerating. Cars on American roads right now have 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles on them. Their owners aren't mechanics, just regular people who changed the oil and did basic maintenance. Here's why this matters. The real cost of a car isn't the sticker price, it's cost per mile. A $25,000 car that dies at 120,000 miles is more expensive than a $28,000 car that hits 250,000. Longevity is the ultimate value, and it comes down to engineering, not luck. So here are 8 cars built to easily cross 200,000 miles. Number 4 might surprise you. Number 8, Toyota Corolla. Let's start with the obvious one, the Toyota Corolla. The Corolla has built its reputation on doing one thing extremely well: staying on the road. This isn't a car designed to impress you with huge horsepower or exotic technology. Toyota kept things relatively simple, and that simplicity is one of the biggest reasons the Corolla has become a long-term favorite. Its 4-cylinder engines have a reputation for durability, and because millions of Corollas have been sold over the years, parts are widely available and mechanics know them inside and out. That matters more than people realize. A car can have a reliable engine, but if repairs are expensive or parts are difficult to find, keeping it on the road becomes harder. With the Corolla, ownership is usually straightforward. Routine maintenance is the key: oil changes, fluids, brakes, tires, and fixing small problems before they become major ones. The Corolla may be boring, but boring is exactly what many buyers want when they need a car that can keep going for years. If your goal is simple, affordable transportation with serious long-term potential, the Toyota Corolla is one of the safest places to start. Number 7. Honda Accord. Next up is the Honda Accord. For decades, the Accord has been one of America's most popular family sedans, and there's a reason so many older examples are still on the road. The Accord combines comfort, practicality, decent performance, and strong long-term durability. You're not buying a stripped-down economy car just to get reliability. The Accord is comfortable enough for daily commuting, family trips, and long highway drives while still offering the potential for serious mileage. Its engines have generally been known for going the distance when properly maintained. However, maintenance history matters a lot with used Accords. If you're shopping for one, look for records showing regular oil changes, fluid services, and other scheduled maintenance. A well-maintained Accord can be a much better purchase than a newer car that's been neglected. The good news is that there are plenty of examples proving how long these cars can stay useful. The Honda Accord proves you don't necessarily have to sacrifice comfort to get long-term reliability. Number 6. Toyota Camry. You're going to notice a pattern here. The Toyota Camry has one of the strongest reputations for durability in the entire sedan market. For years, it has been a popular choice for commuters, families, taxi drivers, and high-mileage drivers who simply need a car they can depend on. The 4-cylinder Camry models are especially well known for their straightforward, durable nature. And if you're looking at a used Camry with 150,000 miles, don't automatically assume it's near the end. Mileage tells you how far a car has traveled. Maintenance tells you much more about its future. A Camry that has been serviced regularly may still have plenty of life left, while a lower mileage example that has been neglected could become an expensive problem. Toyota has spent decades refining the Camry formula instead of constantly reinventing it. That means buyers often get proven engineering, familiar components, and a huge network of mechanics and parts suppliers. If you want a used sedan that has a serious chance of staying on the road for years to come, the Camry absolutely deserves a place on your list. Number 5. Lexus ES. Now let's add some luxury to the list. The Lexus ES is one of the smartest choices for buyers who want a comfortable, upscale vehicle, without jumping into the potentially higher ownership costs associated with some luxury brands. Lexus is Toyota's luxury division, and the ES benefits from Toyota's reputation for dependable engineering while adding a quieter cabin, better materials, and a smoother overall driving experience. That combination is what makes the ES special. You get luxury features and comfort, but underneath, the car is built around a philosophy focused heavily on long-term ownership. Older ES models can still be found with very high mileage, and many owners keep them for years because the cars remain comfortable and practical even as they age. Of course, luxury cars still need maintenance, Suspension components, brakes, electronics, and other parts can eventually require attention. But compared with many aging luxury sedans, the Lexus ES has earned a reputation as a more sensible long-term choice. If you want comfort without constantly worrying about what expensive repair might come next, the Lexus ES is definitely worth considering. Number 4. Chevrolet Suburban and Tahoe. Here's the vehicle that might surprise some people. The Chevrolet Suburban and Tahoe proved that a large American SUV can also be a serious high-mileage machine. These vehicles have been used by families, fleets, government agencies, and other organizations that put enormous miles on their vehicles. One major reason is their long-running V8 heritage. When properly maintained, these full-size SUVs can continue working long after many buyers would expect. Owners often use them for towing, road trips, hauling people, and heavy daily driving. And even after years of use, many examples remain mechanically capable. The biggest advantage is practicality. These are not small crossovers. They're built for buyers who need space, towing capability, and the ability to handle serious workloads. Because Suburbans and Tahoes have been so popular for so long, there's also a massive market for parts and repairs. Many independent mechanics are familiar with these vehicles, and there is plenty of information available for long-term owners. If you need a big SUV and plan to keep it for many years, a well-maintained Suburban or Tahoe can be a surprisingly strong choice. Number 3. Toyota Tacoma. Back to Toyota, because no high-mileage vehicle list would feel complete without the Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma has become almost legendary in the used truck market. One reason is simple: people believe these trucks will last, and that reputation has a major effect on used prices. Even older Tacomas with high mileage can cost surprisingly high amounts because demand remains strong. The Tacoma's long-term appeal comes from a combination of relatively straightforward engineering, Toyota's manufacturing reputation, and a huge community of owners who keep these trucks on the road for years. Many Tacoma owners don't treat the truck like a short-term purchase. They buy it expecting to keep it. That means a used Tacoma with high mileage isn't automatically a bad choice. The condition and maintenance history are far more important than the number on the odometer alone. Yes, you'll often pay a premium for a Tacoma. But for some buyers, paying more upfront for a vehicle with a strong long-term reputation can make sense. The Toyota Tacoma isn't cheap in the used market, but its reputation for durability is exactly why. Number 2. Honda CR-V. Compact SUVs dominate American roads today, and the Honda CR-V is one of the biggest reasons why. The CR-V takes Honda's reputation for practical, efficient vehicles and puts it into an SUV body that works perfectly for everyday life. You've got useful cargo space, comfortable seating, good fuel economy, and the potential for long-term reliability. For families, this combination is hard to beat. A CR-V can handle school runs, grocery trips, commuting, vacations, and all the other jobs that a family vehicle needs to do. Older, simpler versions are particularly attractive to buyers focused on long-term ownership. As always, specific model years matter, especially when shopping used. Different generations can have different engines and transmissions, so it's important to research the exact year you're considering. But overall, the Honda CR-V has earned a strong reputation as one of the more dependable compact SUVs. If you want something practical enough for everyday family life but capable of staying useful for many years, the CR-V is an excellent choice. And now, we've reached number 1. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is in a completely different category. When people think about the Land Cruiser, they often think about its price or its off-road ability. But what really makes it special is how seriously Toyota has engineered it for durability. The Land Cruiser has earned a worldwide reputation for surviving tough environments and continuing to work where reliability really matters. In the United States, most Land Cruisers will never experience those extreme conditions, but that's exactly what makes them interesting. When you take a vehicle engineered for difficult conditions and use it for normal commuting, highway driving, and family trips, you're getting a machine with an enormous amount of durability built into its design. Land Cruisers are expensive, and maintenance isn't as cheap as owning a Corolla, but long-term ownership is where they become interesting. Many owners keep these vehicles for decades. A well-maintained Land Cruiser can remain valuable and useful for an incredibly long time. The initial purchase price may be high, but the vehicle's ability to stay on the road for years can change the overall ownership equation. If reliability had a king, the Toyota Land Cruiser would be one of the strongest candidates for the crown. But before we finish, there's something more important than the badge on the front of the vehicle. The real secret to 200,000 miles here is the truth. None of these vehicles are invincible. You could buy the most reliable car on this list and destroy it through neglect. Skip oil changes, ignore warning lights, put off repairs, never check fluids. Eventually, even the best engine will have problems. On the other hand, a vehicle with a less impressive reliability reputation can sometimes last an extremely long time when its owner follows the maintenance schedule and takes care of problems early. That's the real secret. The brand gives you a head start. Good engineering gives you a better chance, but maintenance is what keeps the vehicle alive. Change the oil on time. Follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Pay attention to strange noises. Fix small problems before they become expensive ones. Do that consistently and you'll give any vehicle a much better chance of reaching serious mileage. So let's recap. Number 8, Toyota Corolla. Number 7, Honda Accord. Number 6, Toyota Camry. Number 5, Lexus ES. Number 4, Chevrolet Suburban and Tahoe. Number 3, Toyota Tacoma. Number 2, Honda CR-V, and number 1, Toyota Land Cruiser. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these vehicles do you trust the most? And if you're currently driving one of them, drop a comment and tell us how many miles are on it right now. Maybe your Corolla has 250,000 miles. Maybe your Tacoma is approaching 300,000, or maybe you've got a Land Cruiser that's been in the family for decades. Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos about the best and worst cars to buy. And next time, we'll look at the exact opposite of this list, vehicles you may want to think twice about before buying used. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.